Okay, so here it is. Blake brought me his 379 to work on. So the last time you guys saw this in our truck, or in our shop, had a white hood, a white cab, and this truck was a day cab. Had a black grille and some other black accents, but we're kind of turning it back into a truck with some white and some chrome on it. It's going to be white all front to back. He added a 389 sleeper and a 389 door to it. Today we're going to just readjust the cab level where it's at, and we're going to be starting the process of stripping the frame. So hopefully, I don't know if it happens in this video or not, but hopefully the hood or the cab and the sleeper come off the chassis and we get as much stripped as we can, get it ready for paint. But yeah, I mean, in a nutshell, that's what we're doing.
It's not gonna take that long. The couple things we're doing right away before we take this apart is those are 389. What's a 389 sleeper and it's 389 brackets, and they're too high. So being a 379 sits down on the frame a lot closer than a 389 does, we're going to lower this whole bracket down probably an inch and get this thing where it's sitting like it's supposed to. But yeah, in this video we're taking the sleeper, the hood, and the cab off.
Yeah, once they get the bracket readjusted, we're going to get all that off, and then we're going to start sanding. Of course, I'm going to be sanding on the back because that's what I know how to do. I'm going to leave taking the cab and sleeper off to the professionals. Not necessarily Brian, but those guys.
Oh, okay. Yeah. When we get this thing off though, it's she's got some dents and dings and some things that got to be kind of worked out. But we're not building this truck, just so I'm clear. I'm making sure we're just painting, right?
We want everybody to know that we're getting this truck to where it looks aesthetically pretty again, and we're turning it back over to Blake for him to get the engine going, get the interior running, or
put all the stuff on it. We just have to paint things.
Yeah, we're going to paint things and then hand it back to him. So we're not doing a restoration. And again, it's for my brother. Normally we would say no to work like this.
But here we are.
All right. All right, Chuck, what are you doing? You pulling the sleeper now?
Yeah.
All right, sleeper's coming off. So the idea is they're gonna lift it up and then we're just gonna roll the chassis out. 2, 3. Got air on the brakes back here. Everything's released and uncaged. We got Brian on a forklift. I don't know about that.
You're a little more, you good?
Clear the tire?
Yeah.
Are you nervous?
Nope.
No?
Not my junk.
Oh, that's true.
Oh, Brian, stop.
Yeah.
Turn around. Oh, go ahead and go in there.
I got
Keep going.
Not me.
Now you. Oh, touching. How you doing over there?
Okay, sleeper's off. Now you do what?
They're gonna drill we're gonna take these off, weld the holes up, re-drill them, so we gotta bring this down about 1.5 inches.
Okay.
I say we Chaz the chalk.
Yeah. We let the experts do what they're qualified to do, right?
Yeah. I'm not qualified for anything. And then we'll take the rest of this part. We'll do the hood next, then the cab.
Yeah, hood's a little easier, but then you're right. The
Our
cab.
job's the easiest. It's the fastest. Y'all's is the long one. You got way more work to do than we do.
Well, and as everything comes off, like more frame gets exposed. So it's, you know, we started here and then we got to work all the way up to the front. Because even though we can't say what color it is, we can say it's not the color it is now.
It's not gonna be that color. Definitely not. Y'all ready? Yeah. Well, you know what? It'd be quicker to go back.
It would be.
Yeah.
Might have to go a little bit higher. It'll be all right. Got power steering.
All right, so we got everything stripped off of it. Now we just got to do some more sanding. We're a little shiny up here on the front side, but back here in the back, we got the frame all the way down as far as we want to go in order to spray it. Got the cabin sleeper sitting over here. Got Chaz removing some cab brackets and exhaust brackets. Doors are about to come off. About to get the sleeper door off as well. Get this thing ready for Mark to take a look at it. Got the hood sitting on a pallet. We got Brian sitting on a stool. That's exactly where we want him.
Turned the fans on early, got windy, and this thing started blowing around the shop. I didn't want it to, hit any of the nice trucks or anything. So
Oh, yeah?
I figured I'd just sit here and hold it.
Hold it, make sure it doesn't go nowhere.
Yeah, in case it gets windy again.
No, that's a good idea. Yeah, those stools get, they get a little rowdy sometimes.
It's like a tumbleweed, man. It just keeps picking up speed. Next thing you know, it's inside of a truck, dents a tank,
It's because of these fans.
Yeah.
Are we allowed to say what those are?
They're big fans.
It's a big fan. All right. Well, what do you think, Brian? Is that all we're gonna do today?
Do you want to know what I really think, Tommy?
Yeah, I would love to know what you
Okay,
really
I think today is Saturday.
Yeah?
And Saturdays are I like the Saturdays because I can work on the 359 butternut.
Yep.
But today, my Saturday is not working on the 359. It is taking apart Blake's 379,
Well,
which means I can't work on my 359.
Well, you know what? It's because of my brotherly love, Brian.
Saturdays are 359 days. I'm whining. No, I'm just kidding.
Well, it's still, you know what? Hey, at least it's still an old truck. I mean, it's not as old,
It is still an old truck.
not as old as your truck, but it's an old truck.
It's an old truck.
All right.
We got a lot done today. I mean, we did a lot. Now your brother can come up here and finish the sanding part. That's the fun part anyway.
Exactly. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Brandon, what did you think? Do you have an absolute blast?
Yeah, I liked it.
Do you want to spend every single Saturday like this?
Yeah.
I don't think he actually really does.
No.
I believe it. Guess your comment your guess on what the truck's color is gonna be. I'd like to see it.
I already know what the truck color is going to be.
Yeah, I want to see their guesses.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Okay.
Brandon wants to know what you guys think this truck is going to be. So in the comments, he's going to be jumping on there, trying to figure out who actually guesses it right. If anybody actually follows Blake's social media and YouTube,
Yeah.
it's H Blake Fits is his YouTube. We'll put a little link in the description down here. He's got a pretty cool YouTube channel, does mostly pickup truck stuff. You'll see this truck has been on there a couple of times.
He's made a few videos about they've done some work to it and before they brought it to us to take it back apart.
Yeah.
So
there's some videos about this truck on that channel you definitely want to check out. But you can look through his stuff and probably do a decent job at guessing what color frame this is going to be. That's my younger brother, Blake Fitzgerald. That's really all we got to say about it, right?
that's it. And just waiting on the guys to come back up here and start sanding on this thing, and then we'll get ready to paint it.
Exactly. So hopefully we'll see those guys tomorrow or the next day, and we get this thing sanded and ready to spray, and we'll have another video coming out soon. You guys know what to do if you want to see that video and more videos like this one. You got to like and subscribe. Follow us on all the social medias,
At Semi Casual Show.
and we'll see you next time.
Later.